Please, can I? You do monkey. Monkey face. Monkey face.
Monkey face. With all this beauty.
Wow. Hello, Maria. Can I have a more? Okweneke Mokonomaka Obrana. My dear, is that you had a battle with a group of monkeys? That is also them, or your ancestors or somebody in your lineage had a relationship with a monkey? Because this is not, hey, this is the first of a monkey. Ha!
Jesus.
Nothing is wrong with my face. I'm still as pretty as ever. So, monkey face? How? I don't understand. Hi, sorry. Hi. I'm sorry. Is there anything wrong with my face?
No, you look so fine. There's nothing wrong.
I mean, I know, yes, I'm pretty, but are you sure there's nothing wrong with my face?
There's nothing wrong with your face. You're fine.
I know.
So why did you not stop me?
Sorry. It's just about 5 guys that I've met with tried to stop me, which I did, and they all ran away. The ones that tried to approach me called me monkey face.
Well, aside your attitude, there's nothing wrong with your face. And besides, you know how guys act. Once you don't give them attention, they tend to get back at you with some hurtful words. So
I did. I gave them attention. Nothing is wrong with my face. So why are they running away?
Fine girl. Can I have your number?
Yes.
Ojú ọ̀bọ, monkey face.
Help me!
Something is definitely wrong somewhere. Daddy, please, I need like extra 50K.
Is there a 50K? I don't
Yes.
want 50,000.
Yes.
It's me with the 50,000. I don't have 50,000. I just gave you 60,000 yesterday. And that's the last one I have from the pension. You know, I don't
If I
work
ask for this, you don't have. If I ask for that, you don't have. I barely even ask for things. Even when I ask, you give stories.
Oh, no, which one is that you asked? You barely asked. You asked 50,000 like it's 5 naira.
Yes, how much is 50,000? How much is 50,000 that I'm asking for?
How them neck? How them neck? Sim. How them neck? Please, bear with me. I don't have.
Very stingy man. No wonder Mama left you. Useless man. It's your monkey face. Please get out.
Get. Monkey face. Me monkey face. How? Remember go. If I'm naked, monkey face. Hi. He's going to quotation and Moroma. He's going to quotation and Moroma. Hey, me again. Oh, when you're not Tom Ganagani. Oh, when you're someone Yamaganagani. What's the name of monkey face? God knows, you know. I'm doing my best for her.
It's your monkey face. Please get that monkey face. Now I know where the problem is coming from. Papa, Papa, wake up. Papa, please, I'm sorry. Okay, you're not monkey face. You're not monkey face. Papa, please, I'm sorry. Papa, wake up now. Please come and help me. Please help me, please.
Monkey face.
Help me.